starting a new anime called Chainsaw Man. I know there's a guy who looks like a chainsaw, which is a really ridiculous concept. But maybe it's gonna surprise me. I am going into it with high expectations. It's made by Mappa. Let's check out the opening. It's called Kickback, so let's jump into it. There's two openings. First one is the normal one, and then we have like a unique opening, and we're gonna react to that after this one, after the first one as well. So let's jump into it right now. This opening has a lot of views, so I don't know what to expect. Ooh. It's made by Mappa, so cool looking actors. Huh. Oh shit. The chef devil? Is she a devil? Devil horns? What? Okay. I saw it. I saw it. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Obvious transformation, right? Oh shit. Wow, this song was crazy cool. I feel like you can read a lot from the opening, especially a little bit of the story, right? Because I immediately noticed these characters. I guessing there's gonna be like a main group of 4, but the ones that stood out was the girl with Satan horns. By the way, this girl or a guy, I'm not sure, but this black hair guy, and then this guy on the left, I think is the main character who also turns into a chainsaw. Why? Why a chainsaw? And maybe this is him when he was young and he has like a chainsaw dog puppy toy? Toy or a real thing? Is it a living thing? This looks like that, like, this looks like him but older. This guy, it looks like him but older. Is that his dad maybe? Looks like a detective. And then we have like a, I guess that's like to hide your identity. Yeah, same guy here. Looks like a police guy. Are these the two main actors? Angel, by the way. And here as well, right? Shark Man? Angel woman? There's no girl with the horns here. Oh, there she is. Okay, she just kicked someone out. Okay. Shy girl left. Satan came in. Was bowing to her? Look on the right, by the way. She's bowing. Or she's hiding. What is he doing, by the way? This is interesting. And why is he Domami? What? I want to be him. So looks like she's out of reach or something, right? So literally turning into a chainsaw man. Where are the horns? That's not the same girl. There are two girls. It's this girl and the girl with the horns. This is cool though. This part right here goes so hard. Two different girls? Yeah. Hair is different, no horn, yeah. So it feels like when that guy transforms into a chainsaw, he is mindless a little bit. Maybe the plot is in the beginning to like get him into control. Yes, he is. But what is this? Did she turn? No, different girl. Cool opening, by the way. I'm guessing if this is the same guy, but like in the past, and it looks like this is not toy. So I feel like it's gonna be there's gonna be a lot of symbolism between biblical stuff and this anime, like Satan, for example, horns. I don't know. It just gives me those vibes, right? What's her name? Power. What does this mean? Power. I wonder if that's her name, or is it like a power of a woman? You know. Yeah. I mean, looks like some villains here as well that we're gonna meet early on. Ooh, new song. Okay. Cooking. Grapefruit. Hello. Oh, Tokyo Tower. Oh, character sheets. That's not translated though. What the hell was that? Ooh. Nah. What? Are we okay? My mental state be like. That guy looks like he's done. Oof. Oh wow, lyrics go hard. Oh. Oh wait, this goes hard. Oh my god. Oh. Did she crow a few more horns, by the way? What a fucking opening, dude. Whoa. This one or previous one? Which one do you guys like more? I don't know why, but this one at the end especially, in the beginning I was liking the first opening more, but in the end especially when this stuff was going on, visual wise as well, it activated something in my brain. My brain was like tingling, dude. There's a movie? This is from a movie. That's why it was 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So it feels like this character's mental state is seriously going downhill. This is like thing from Japanese culture here. Where is it? Here, this is a thing from Japanese culture. I forgot what it represented, but it feels like our main character's mental state is going downhill fast. It started off pretty like normal. Also, she grew more horns. She is Satan. I feel like I don't know why I'm gonna call this right now. I feel like her character with the main character is gonna be the downfall of the main character. I don't know why. It looks like a toxic relationship to me, right? Look at their apartment. A guess they got it cleaned up, man. It looks like it's still part of the same main friend group as well. This character shows up a lot as well. You can recognize him by like ponytail or whatever. Anyway, because like we're dragging him out of the party, man. Like what is happening? Also, I love this transition with the crows. Iris, that's cool. And she seems to be very annoying. You know what I mean? I can't wait to meet these characters. And this is the part where we see the main characters like mental state just, you know what I mean? Look. Like, why is going on? Whoa. It feels like he has enough, you know? And like he thinks about memories. Look at here. He's like thinking about the past. Like good moments with that person. Like they have passed and then this blows up. I think that symbolically blows up. It's not actually real. Maybe he has like a existential crisis or something. Wow, what a good opening. So I remember now, I heard something about the movie that came out recently that was apparently like the best movie of all time. Was it actually Chainsaw Man, or am I mixing something up? Anyway, wow, great two openings. I'm gonna watch episode 1 right now.